Bob from Sugarland has a foundation concern.
Look, he's looking to buy a house that's had some repairs in Sugarland. Okay. So Bob writes, the repairs are done back in 2009, came with a lifetime transferable warranty, the way you want it. And the warranty has been given to him along with this drawing, this highly technical drawing of where
that's actually how they do it. That makes sense.
I know. But anyway,
yes.
Anyway, he got this, and it shows where the piers are and all that. It's just they're around the entire front and the driveway side of the house, as you can see in the drawing. But the current owner says there have been no issues since it's in. But Bob's mother-in-law does not like this idea, so I imagine Bob's wife is not wild about it too. So, Tom, Bob wants your advice on purchasing this or not. Is it okay to buy a house that's had foundation repair?
I don't know if a lot of people are going to like my answer, but I answer these questions as if it was me and my family. Charlie, you know that.
Yeah.
I would never buy a house that has had foundation repair done to it.
All right.
And there's some other things like aluminum wiring. I mean, there's some other things. Not that it's bad, but nobody can tell you if it's going to get bad. It's already had problems, so I really think that sometimes you just need to walk away just not to gamble on it.
A lot of people with the mother-in-law.
I guess. Yep. I don't side with anybody. I just answer them like it was me. And
sounds like you're siding with her to me.
Well, I'm not siding with her because I don't know her.
Yeah, I think she sent you an email before the show.
She did not.
She said, Bob's writing to you. I want you to take my side.
But that doesn't mean if you buy it, this is what I want to tell people, because some people really want to buy the home.
Sure.
Okay. And you get the warranty. That's fine. The warranty is as good as long as the company is still in business. Right. After they're gone out of business.
And this is one of the big ones.
No, and that's fine. The thing is if you look at a foundation right now, even if it doesn't have piers,
right,
an engineer could, let's say you get a big-time engineer, he can only tell you what he sees right now. Right. He doesn't know what's going to go down the road.
Devers out. He'll take a look
Larry will say, hey, it looks good now.
Right.
I mean, that's all they can do. So to me, I would probably look for a house that didn't have such massive repair work done, but that doesn't mean you can't buy it. You have the warranty, which is good, and there's a reason those warranties are existent. But you see, it's only a partial repair, not a full repair. And so if something happens on the rest of the house, they're going to say, oh, that's not the repair work. You have an area here that's not repaired.
Well, I'll see you and raise you one. If you have to have work done on that house, you're going to have to go back to that company, right?
You're right, too. Yes, you're absolutely right. If the warranty is going to be in effect, because let's say Due West didn't do it. I don't know if Due West did it or
they
not.
didn't. It was somebody else.
Okay. They're not going to come in and fix their work. They're going to have to jackhammer and separate all of the old stuff and put their own in, which is more expensive. It's just the nature of the business. So, Bob, if you don't mind, maybe you should listen to your mother-in-law at least once in your life.
He says, I'm just going to kind of slide over this way. I'll tell you, if you have a question, you want to send it to us and won't involve marriage counseling later.
Yes. Yeah, I'm not real good at that.
Visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on the Ask Tom button. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.